And show you some quality jade here. This one is 378,000. Doesn't look like jade. Let's have a look, but it is. Let's have a look at some other fine examples here. Multicoloured there. Beautiful colours down there. So now this one here, only 57,600. Mother of pearl. And 129,000 for that one. Right, lots of little pieces here that are much cheaper, and more importantly, you can see all the different colours that the jade comes in. So that is why we're showing you this. The horse here is 96,000. Here's a really intricate one. 59,700. So let's put that in comparison. About 8,000 US dollars, probably 12,000 Australian dollars. So just letting you know some of the very intricate pieces that they do make here at the Jade factory. And they're not all green, that's the important part. And of course the Happy Buddha here, 32,000 US dollars, 50,000 Australian dollars, probably about 50,000 Canadian dollars, or 230,400 yen. Okay, hope you're enjoying this. It's just a quick tour. You make a jade teapot now, that would be lovely. But nevertheless, we'll go on. We won't show you every piece, but this is the Jade factory in Beijing. Perhaps you might like to come and visit it, hit the like button and tell us about Jade.